Okay, so instead of equals, I'm going to set this up as greater than. And let me see, I've got to remember what numbers I had. I remember I had a 14. I'll just make it like this. 7x plus 2 is greater than 5x plus 14. Now, to solve an inequality, you start by just thinking of it as an equals sign. And you want to collect all of your x's together and get your x's alone on one side. So we'll subtract 5x from both sides. We have a zero pair here. 5x minus 5x goes to 0. So we're left with 7x minus 5x is 2x. So we have 2x plus 2 is greater than 14. And again, we need to get the x's alone on one side. So we want to move this 2. And we need to do the same thing to both sides of the inequality. So we'll subtract 2 from both sides. 2 minus 2 is 0. That's a 0 pair, so it disappears. So we're left with 2x on the left-hand side, and 14 minus 2 is 12 on the right-hand side. And then we have 2 times x on the left, so we'll divide both sides by 2. To undo that times, the 2's cancel to 1, so we're left with x is greater than 12 divided by 2, or in other words, 6. Okay, now, this inequality notation is one way to show the answer, but you can also show the answer on a number line, which makes sense because you don't just have one number as your answer. Okay, your answer is a range of values. Any numbers larger than 6 will make this inequality true. And so we go here and we'll put 6 on the number line. And the way you show any number greater than 6 is with a parenthesis like this, and then you shade your number line showing any number larger than 6. Now, some textbooks will show that as an open circle instead of a parenthesis. That also shows. So it's any number larger than 6, but it's not actually including the 6. Now, if your problem wanted to include the 6, it would have looked like this. It would have had a greater than or equal to here, and then it would be either a filled-in circle or a bracket. Denotes any number greater than 6. Finally, there's a third way you could show this answer. To show x is greater than 6, you could use interval notation, which shows from and to. So from 6 all the way to infinity would be x is greater